What's up, guys? It's Graham here. So I'm going to be honest, this is one of the craziest markets that I've ever seen. Normally, I tend not to be too outspoken about my own thoughts since I'd like to think the data speaks for itself, but never have I witnessed such a quick stock market reversal to the point where investors have completely flipped from stock market collapse to stock market bubble in just 90 days. And if you think things are getting out of hand, turns out this is just the very beginning. That's right, despite the entire market surging to brand new record highs, beneath the surface, the US dollar is quietly headed towards its biggest decline since 1986. International stocks have now begun outperforming the United States for the first time in decades. And starting on August 1st, all bets are back on the table for brand new tariffs. That's why we really got to discuss exactly what's happening, why the Federal Reserve just decided not to lower interest rates, if this is something to be concerned about, and then how you could best protect your money starting today, because like it or not, we're in for a wild ride. Although before we start, if you appreciate the last-minute breaking news update videos like this, it would mean the world to me if you hit the like button or subscribe if you haven't done that already. I know it's silly to ask for it, I don't like it myself, but it does help out tremendously, and as a thank you for doing that, here's a picture of a frog. So thanks so much, and also a big thank you to Gemini for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. Alright, now before we break down what's happening in the markets and what Jerome Powell just said about his rumored resignation, we first need to talk about Trump's #1 priority, and that would be lowering interest rates. Look, it's no surprise, over the last year, there's been a major push to cut interest rates as fast as possible to help boost the economy, and in the process of doing so, there have been some choice words thrown at Jerome Powell for keeping rates higher than expected, including but not limited to stupid, terrible, numbskull, dumb, fool, mule, major loser, low IQ, not a smart person, and too late.